Are you feeling weighed down by financial struggles? Maybe the bills keep piling up, or your income just never seems enough. The truth is, everyone faces money challenges at some point. But here's the good news. You can rise above them. Overcoming financial difficulties isn't about luck. It's about making smart, intentional choices that lead to long-term stability. With the right mindset and practical steps, you can take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve. Here are 5 powerful tips to help you navigate tough financial times and come out stronger than ever. Assess your current financial situation. Start by facing your reality honestly. List all your income sources, debts, and monthly expenses. This helps you identify where your money is going and what areas need adjustment. You can't fix what you don't measure. 2. Cut unnecessary spending. Distinguish between needs and wants. Pause subscriptions, limit eating out, and look for cheaper alternatives to your regular expenses. Every small saving adds up over time. 3. Create a realistic budget. Set a simple budget that prioritizes essentials: food, rent, utilities, and debt payments. Stick to it strictly and review it weekly to ensure you're on track. 4. Seek additional income sources. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or selling in used items. Even small extra income can help you reduce debt or build an emergency fund faster. 5. Stay positive and patient. Financial recovery takes time. Avoid comparing yourself to others, focus on your progress, and keep learning about money management. Tough times don't last, but disciplined people do. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep taking small, consistent steps toward your financial goals. If this post spoke to you, share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Don't forget to follow Motivational Guide for more powerful money wisdom and motivational content to help you grow stronger, financially, mentally, and spiritually.